Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add text to your videos in Adobe Premiere Pro 2020, and let's don't waste any more from your time. Let me show you how to do it. First, choose some random video, and let's say we wanna add text from here to here. So how to add a text to this kid who is saying wait a minute. There's actually two ways how. First one is by clicking this T type 2 from here, and when you click it, just move your mouse here on the video and then left click on your mouse, click with your mouse, and now hold your mouse, and now you're creating a cell. So when you lose the button of your mouse, now you created a cell where you can type your whatever you wanted. Let's say wait a minute. But sometimes when the cell is smaller than the text, then you need to make it bigger. But how? As you can see, I can drag it, I can make it bigger because I am on this T2 type 2. So how to make it bigger, the cell? Just press on your keyboard V, or also you can click here on selection 2 V, and now as you can see, the cell is not anymore red, it's blue, and you can make it bigger, and now you can see the whole text. And when you double click on the cell, it's automatically turns into type 2, and you can write again here. So V, wait, and make sure you're not in text, just click here to not write something in your text, and now click V, click again on text, and you can move your text whenever you want it, and also you can make the cell higher, bigger or smaller. And yeah, let's cut this. And when you play the video, it looks like this. The second way to create text is by pressing T of our keyboard, and it's the same. Now we are creating a cell, typing text, wait a minute, and now when the cell is bigger, is smaller than usual, is smaller than the text, just press V or just click here on this arrow here and click on the text again, and you can make your cell bigger. And that's how to add the text to your videos in Adobe Premiere Pro 2020. If you're finding this video helpful, you can give it a like, and also don't be hesitant to leave a comment. To leave your problems, to leave your questions in the comments down below the video, and I'll try to respond in a few days if I can. So see you next video. Bye.